Welcome to GKR Tamosri. Who became the first bank to install India's first ATM on a train? A. State Bank of India. B. Punjab National Bank. C. HDFC Bank. D. Bank of Maharashtra. D. Bank of Maharashtra is a public sector bank, has become the first bank to install automated teller machine on a train in India. The ATM was installed on the Mumbai Manmat Panchavati Express. Who has been named 52nd Chief Justice of India? A. B.R. Gawai. B. Suryakant. C. D.Y. Chandrachud. D. Sanjay Khanna. A. B.R. Gawai. Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gawai is said to take oath as the next Chief Justice of India on 14th May. His name was recommended to the Law Ministry by Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna. Who has won the Freestyle Chess Grand Slam 2025 title? A. Fabiano Caruana. B. Vincent Kiemer. C. Magnus Carlsen. D. Hikaru Nakamura. C. Magnus Carlsen. In chess, world number 1 Magnus Carlsen of Norway clinched the Freestyle Chess Grand Slam 2025 in Paris, France. What is the mascot of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? A. Veera. B. Durgavati. C. Dagat. D. Gadsimha. B. Gadsimha is the official mascot of Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Bihar is a powerful symbol of athletic excellence and cultural heritage, and Gadsimha, which symbolizes the power of elephant and heart of lion. Who has been ranked as India's best hospital as per World's Best Hospital 2024 report? A. Apollo Chennai. B. AIIMS Delhi. C. Medanta Vellore. D. Fortis Gurgaon. B. AIIMS Delhi. According to the World's Best Hospital 2024 report, the All Indian Institute of Medical Science AIIMS Delhi has been ranked as the best hospital in India. AIIMS Delhi is also globally ranked among the top 100 hospitals in the world. The 15th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting AMM was held in which place? A. India. B. China. C. Brazil. D. Russia. C. Brazil. Union Minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan attended the 15th BRICS Agriculture Minister meeting at Brasilia, Brazil. The theme is Promoting Inclusive and Sustainable Agriculture through Cooperation, Innovation and Equitable Trade among BRICS countries. Which city is recognized as the origin of the Banaras Shehnai, recently awarded the GI tag? A. Varanasi. B. Jaipur. C. Patna. D. Kerala. A. Varanasi. Rich culture and craft heritage gained national recognition as authorities recently gained geographical identification tag to Banarasi Shehnai and Banarasi Tabla. India won how many medals at the first stage of 2025 Archery World Cup? A. 2 medals. B. 4 medals. C. 6 medals. D. 8 medals. B. 4 medals. India won a total 4 medals at the first stage of 2025 Archery World Cup, the medal including 1 silver and 3 bronze medals. Who has been honored with the Master Humor Award at Macau International Comedy Festival 2025? A. Ajay Devgan. B. Akshay Kumar. C. Amir Khan. D. Shah Rukh Khan. C. Amir Khan is a Bollywood icon with his presence at the Macau International Comedy Festival 2025 held in China, where he was honored with the Master Humor Award. Who has been honored with the Virtual Dalit Literary Award 2025? A. Ravi Shetty. B. P. Sivagami. C. Rajesh Khanna. D. Sunita Narain. B. P. Sivagami, a retired IAS officer, writer and social activist, has been honored with the Virtual Dalit Literary Award 2025, The award was presented by Neelam Cultural Center, founded by filmmaker Ranjit, at the Vanam Art Festival, and also she received the award along with the cash prize rupees 1 lakh. Which aircraft was used to test the long-range guided bomb Gaurav? A. Tejas, B. Rafale, C. Miraj 2000, D. Su-30 MKI. D. Su-30 MKI. The Gaurav long-range guided bomb was tested from the Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft. The trials conducted by DRDO took place between 8th April to 10th April 2025. The Gaurav demonstrated a range of close to 100 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy. Which country is currently facing the world's most severe humanitarian crisis as of 2025? A. Syria, B. Sudan, C. Yemen, D. Afghanistan. B. Sudan. Humanitarian crisis is the large on record. More than 30.4 million people in urgent need due to famine, human rights violation and attacks on aid workers. Where was the advanced robotic surgery mission Madi Jarvis recently inaugurated? A. Tamil Nadu, B. West Bengal, C. Assam, D. Kerala. C. Assam. The Madi Jarvis Made in India robotic surgery mission is being launched in the State of Cancer Institute, Assam, to assist doctor performing a complex procedure with greater precision. Which company launched the all-women space tourist mission NS-31? A. SpaceX, B. NASA, C. Blue Origin, D. ISRO. C. Blue Origin launched the all-women space tourist mission NS-31. The mission led by Lauren Sanchez, including Katy Perry, Gayle King and other women. The Blue Origin new-shaped rocket carried a crew on suborbital flight, reaching the Kármán line. How many medals were won by the Indian shooters at the ISSF World Cup Lima 2025? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. C. 7. India finished the third on the medal tally with the 7 medals, that is 2 gold, 4 silver and 1 bronze. Which state government has launched the Pink E-Rickshaw scheme? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. A. Maharashtra, a pioneering scheme to empower women economically and socially while promoting eco-friendly transport, announced by Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The initiative began with a successful pilot in Pune and it's now expanding across the state. Which anniversary did the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE recently celebrate? A. 125th, B. 150th, C. 175th, D. 100th. B. 150th. The Bombay Stock Exchange BSE, Asia's oldest stock exchange, marked a historic milestone, and the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman was the chief guest at the celebration. The headquarters of International Big Cat Alliance will be established in which country? A. India, B. China, C. Bhutan, D. Nepal. A. India has officially designated the headquarters of International Big Cat Alliance IBCA, an intergovernmental wildlife organization, to be located in India. India's initiative will not only protect magnificent big cat but also serve as a model for conservation efforts around the world. Which city is said to become the world's first fully renewable power city? A. Hyderabad, B. Amravati, C. Chennai, D. Kanpur. B. Amravati. It aims to become the world's first city powered entirely by renewable energy with a vision to create a modern and eco-friendly people's capital. The project is being built with the focus on sustainability and clean energy. Which country gifted 2 Shinkansen train sets E5 and E3 series to India? A. China, B. United States, C. South Korea, D. Japan. D. Japan gifted the two Shinkansen train set, the E5 and E3 series to India. These trains will be used for testing and inspectional for Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor. Answer for last video was Ganges River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India, is also called Susur. It was officially declared the national aquatic animal by the Ministry of Environment and Forest in 2010. This dolphin species found in the river of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna and Karnapalli Sangu system in India, Nepal and Bangladesh. The video is available on icon. On which date did Aryabhatta, India's first satellite, complete 50 years? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.